Hello, my dear Prep 3 students at Maya School's Language Department. This is Mr. Hassan, and today we are going to study Unit 1, which is entitled as Visitors to Egypt. In this topic, we are going to talk about Hurghada as one of the most wonderful places in Egypt. The main reading text here is an email from an Egyptian girl, which is called Salma. She is writing to her best friend Catherine. She recommends her places to visit in Egypt, especially Hurghada. She told her that there are a lot of activities that she can do in Hurghada, and there are many places to stay. She told her that she can do a lot of water activities, such as snorkeling, such as windsurfing, and she told her that there are differences, and we should know that there are differences between sports that we can do in water, scuba diving, snorkeling, swimming, and there are sports that we can do in water, like fishing, windsurfing, and sailing. She told her that she can stay at a hotel or a youth hostel. Youth hostel is an inexpensive place where young people can stay when they are traveling. It's modern and comfortable place. And she told her again that she can visit the Tourist Information Center if she wants to know about Hurghada's history and learn about its interesting places. So we should take care when we study this unit. Here are some important prepositions such as learn about, look out for, find out, wait for, interested in, and the main, this is about the main vocabulary here in Unit 1. So we have to study them carefully, and we should write a paragraph talking about Hurghada as one of the most interesting places in Egypt. We have some words like Tourist Information Center, youth hostel, snorkeling, an assistant, someone who works in a shop or an office, guidebook, passport. That's an official document, just like your identity. Police station, bazaar, that's a market or group of shops. If you want to buy a souvenir, you can go to a bazaar and windsurfing. Be careful that we can use verb go with activities which end in ing, like snorkeling and windsurfing. And now we are going to talk about the structure here in Unit 1, which is how to give someone advice, giving advice. This is very simple, and we are going to use should and shouldn't. If you want to tell someone that it's a good idea to do something, we can use should. And if we want to say it's good not to do something, we use should. Be careful that should or shouldn't followed by infinitive form of the verb, which is the base form of the verb. Look at these examples. You should try windsurfing. You shouldn't walk too much in the sun. And there are also other ways of giving advice, like it's a good idea to or not to. For example, it's a good idea to try windsurfing, or it's a good idea not to walk too much in the sun. We can use I advise you to do something, or I advise you not to do something. You'd better, which is you had better, followed directly by infinitive, like should. So you can say you had better try windsurfing, or you had better not walk too much in the sun. And we can use second conditional if I were you, I would or I wouldn't. For example, if I were you, I would try windsurfing, or if I were you, I wouldn't walk too much in the sun. And this is about the grammatical points here in Unit 1. I ask you to study this lesson carefully, and you have to do all the exercise in your workbook, and see you inshallah in the next class. Bye-bye.